Alright guys, gonna play some Risk of Rain. Oops. I'm not gonna introduce you, I'll talk about it as I'm playing, but I'm gonna play with a bunch of these artifacts that make the game harder and a lot more awesome. I'll play as the commando, who's the character you start out. All the rest are locked until you unlock them during the game. So this one should be the most familiar. His whole thing is kind of about like evasion and staying back. So one of his things, suppressive fire, is basically it shoots really fast and it's basically has like a high knockback. This skill basically just lets me be invincible while I'm diving through. Basically really good for evading like a huge group of mobs, or if anything imminent, you're just like, oh god, you dive. It's also good for navigating the map quicker, saving you time, because in this game time equals difficulty, so you're always rushing to do everything as fast as you can and efficient. I wish they would spawn more monsters. I seem a little OP right now, but don't worry, it'll get crazy. Because that artifacted glass lets me do 500% damage, so I'm doing a lot of damage. But I also only have like 10% of the health that I normally would, which is basically, it's like sudden death. He's gonna spawn with jellyfish. Okay, so this full metal jacket is pretty cool because it shoots everything in a line, regardless of like, it just goes through everything, which is really nice. Normally, chests don't appear because I have an artifact that makes them not appear. Oh shit, that's killed me so many times before. I never... Okay, so the reason that I got that chest is because this use item, which is a random use item, happened to spawn a chest. But normally in this game mode, you have to wait for enemies to drop them. Which is how I got the scepter, is the boss dropped it. So bosses are like a guaranteed drop, whereas other enemies are not guaranteed drop. There's also a really nice item called the 56 leaf clover that increases drop rates of items from elite mobs by like 4%. Which doesn't sound like a lot, but if you're killing a lot of them, then it's pretty good. Especially since there's another artifact I have on right now, called the Artifact of Honor, and it makes all the enemies elite. Meaning, it's a lot harder, but if I get that 56 leaf clover, all of them have a 4% chance of dropping an item. Which could lead to more 56 leaf clovers. So, basically if you survive the first like 20 minutes, you're having a pretty good run. And you'll probably last a long time. I think the longest I've gone is like 200 minutes? Something like that. I don't remember. I don't worry about the time, I just like having fun. Okay, so those bombs that that boss dropped, like these. In this level, there's these things called parents. So those things are children, those little weird abstract creatures. And they have parents, and when they die, they drop a crap load of those. There they are. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared right now. Oh. That punching this glove, pretty useful for see, like that. So when you kill one, you have to be like, you have to have an escape plan or something. Especially because I have such low health because of the glass that sometimes you can just dodge through them, other times you can't. I was just checking to make sure they're dropping items. Okay, so that syringe makes me attack faster. I think it's like 10% faster too, which is like a lot. So my use item just spawned some drones. Oh my god, there's a lot of them. Especially, kind of sucks is if you're really good, you're gonna kill a lot of them really fast. Oh, fuck, I died. This game is brutal. I love it. And then you just start over. And my heart's beating. I should have killed them. So all the elites, besides just having more health and attacking stronger and stuff, they all have powers. So green is like healing, they have a little AoE healing radius. Yellow, like that one, is teleporting, that's why you teleported up to me earlier. Orange is explosive, like their attacks just explode every time they attack, which is brutal. And they also have missiles that come out of them, which is also brutal. Red has fire, like just a fire trail behind them. Which normally isn't too bad, but if you're at low health when you start out like this, then that fire can take away like half your health if you just touch it. AKA brutal. This guy hurts if you touch him. Oh, purple, like that guy, is electricity. So his attacks, even if they don't hit you directly, can damage you. Really right now. Those hearts give you 60 extra health until it runs out. It's like a shield, and then it recharges after you haven't been hit in a while. Which normally is just a fair amount of food, but it's especially nice at the beginning because it essentially doubled my health. Not more. Well, now it's just doubled it. Before it was even more than that. So normally I'd probably have like five items by now if I had chests spawning normally. But because of this artifact of the artifact that makes it so that enemies spawn items instead of chests, I can't have that many items. Which makes it a lot harder. Sweet. Green items are uncommon, as in most games. That little use item that had the white bar at the top, that's attack speed. But those guys have a really high attack range. Dodge is perfect for avoiding that worm. Those bombs. Oh my god. You're dead low. You're wrecked. Okay, I'm gonna end the first video.